In der Deadline Spot XRP ETF-Anträge in der Deadline
Für den Oktober.
für den Oktober. Das
And
heißt,
today, ladies and gentlemen, we must admit that crypto's time has come.
It went from a lot of infighting to being largely aligned at this point.
And that'll give us a pattern target. Next step up here, probably around $4.42.5 or so.
They try to shake me out, but I was born ready. Dropping down the price, then I be getting plenty. They want all your bags and they want all them empty.
What's up, good glitches? Welcome back to some more Moon O'Clock news. We got some extra bullishness to jump into. Shout out to the latest sub. We got XRP currently right around $3, $2.99. Bank XRP to pop off. US SEC Chairman Paul Atkins stated, crypto's time has come. Most crypto tokens are not securities. Our time has come. Also announced a plan for a super app that will consolidate crypto transactions into a single framework.
An invasion of armies can be resisted, but not an idea whose time has come. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we must admit that crypto's time has come. For too long, the SEC has weaponized its investigatory subpoena and enforcement authorities to subvert the crypto industry. That approach was not only ineffective, but injurious. It drove jobs, innovation, and capital overseas. American entrepreneurs bore the brunt and have been forced to spend fortunes on building a legal defense instead of a business. That chapter belongs to history. It's a new day at the SEC. Policy is no longer set by ad hoc enforcement actions. We will provide clear, predictable rules of the road so that innovators can thrive in the United States.
Jack the Ripper breaking. Frankfurt Stock Exchange in Germany says that XRP will experience a price increase due to the launch of spot XRP ETFs October. We're now in between this morning. I think we're at 301, yes, and we're waiting for the outbreak. It's quite clear we're waiting for the outbreak, and there's the XRP is not making any noise. He doesn't go up alone either. What we have written here still applies, and yes, we can and see we're waiting for the news trigger, the market trigger that'll push the whole story and the whole theme. When it is pushed, will it not be pushed by the spot XRP ETFs? But once the push has taken place, this push will reinforce by what we might see in October, especially with XRP and also with Solana. We have 7 valuable spot XRP ETF applications in the October deadline for October. This means that there is no further delay on part of the SEC. That means that between the 18th and the 25th, the SEC will probably set a date and say they will be all released equally, just as the case with Bitcoin. And that demand for such a spot XRP ETF is likely to be relatively high, as can be seen from futures trading at the CME group. XRP future has been trading with record success over the past 3 months, and that's a good implication for what's to come. Buckle up, glitches. Pumptober. Crypto Eddie Look, 100 million daily volume paid with XRP gas to power the XRP Ledger EVM sidechain. Do the math. This volume was for bridging only 2 yield-bearing stablecoin protocols. Run the numbers. The worldwide finance sector is massive for XRP gas, more than just a narrative utility. Digital asset investor. The crypto industry has embraced Bitcoin, but the Bitcoin industry hasn't embraced crypto, and that includes you, Sailor. Prove me wrong.
And the crypto industry in general, it went from a lot of infighting to being largely aligned at this point. And I think there's an appreciation amongst the crypto networks, the token, the DeFi, the crypto exchanges, the Bitcoin advocates, that the entire industry is better cooperating with each other than they are fighting with each other. And following November, I just saw a remarkable alignment of interest and a coalescence of a formation of a coalition. This coalition, the entire crypto industry, is probably the most powerful political actor in the space right now, because they can marshal something like 50 million voters, and they're just so distributed and diffuse and their influence, and also very aggressive in driving this forward. So the entire industry has become very politically active.
Meanwhile, all the charts are aligning and the news is set to drop to pump this through the moon. XRP setting itself up for a massive potential move.
I've got XRP here for your XRP army. I know you've got such a huge, big, group of fans from XRP that watch. Yeah, so we've got this great looking range right here. This looks like a spring down here on a potential reaccumulation. Again, we're trying to break through that monthly pivot. We do have this descending resistance we're coming up above. So it's looking pretty good at this point. Breaking out above $3.38 and a quarter of a cent there, 3.3825 is going to add confidence to this overall correction being completed here. And that'll give us a pattern target. Next step up here, probably around $4.42.5 or so. So XRP really kind of setting up for some potential move. But again, we do want to see some follow through here.
We're going to be showing you two potential moves for XRP, one in September, one for October. Mustache altcoins 2-week total to RSI is about to break out of the downtrend. We've already seen this phenomenon in 2015 and 2020. This was the beginning of the fun part for alts. I don't care what others said from TA perspective, everything looks great. Big alt season coming. X-Force Global XRP is still on track for $20 this cycle for both the primary and alternative idea. New floor has been established for good. Egg-Rat Crypto XRP ready to break out. Attention bulls, it's time to rally and push through the falling wedge formation. We're on the brink of a significant structure breakout, and the key level to watch is 313. This breakout could pave the way for an exciting upward momentum. Crypto Gel, less than 6% to go before altcoins enter price discovery. The real fun is about to begin, and we ain't seen nothing yet. Galaxy BTC XRP pure consolidation over 208 days in the $2 to $3 range and running out of space to compress. I believe this one will surprise many. And Papa XRP 12-year trend line, the bigger the base, the higher its base. $20 XRP loading. And taking a look at XRP, almost another tap of our downtrend as we've had multiple taps, just like the previous time here where XRP had multiple taps before it finally broke out. Also, Bitcoin dominance is breaking down. Money is flowing into alts this time. Also, XRP ETF decision week is almost here, October 18th through the 25th, and the big one, Franklin Templeton, November 14th. Here goes the two potential scenarios for XRP. We got a potential pump coming in with the rate cut for XRP, possibly at a $4 to $5 correction, and then we have ETF news and the Clarity Act for XRP that could push us up beyond $20. Also, alt season still loading. Anything above a 75 is considered alt season. Also, we're waiting on the return to a full-blown alt season above a 99-100. Last time we reached the 99-100 levels was around August of 2022. Also, if you remember the video we did about the 17th candle, so far a 17th candle looking good. Also, with the ETFs and the Clarity Act dropping, signal the potential BTC halving cycle top has yet to be seen, as they're saying the 4-year cycles are over and we could potentially shift into a full-blown utility cycle. And the longer they take, the higher we keep climbing on that XRP rich list. Top 10% holder 2,378 XRP as the XRP wallets get near 7 million. Where will those bags be when that regulation jar molasses finally breaks open and XRP's true price is finally revealed? We'll catch you up here on the mothership. BYOB. Bring your own bags, be your own bank, be your own boss. Don't forget to drop an elbow from the top ropes and a likey button. And don't forget to smash that subscribe-y. We'll see you at the tippy top. Later, glitches.
Later, glitches.
Staring out my window, I got the formula, stack them bags up and simple, and wait until we explode. I'll meet you at the disco, we just getting started like an intro.